I-ActionSA isabambelele kuthena ifuna ukusebenza ne-ANC ngatumbani isebenze neDA. Lokhu kulandela ukuphatha kweDA weKuruleni ngemva kokuthi ihlangano leyimuka amandla okuphatha ngesitshukumiso sokungasethembi ngenyanga epheleleko.
ActionSA would not be taking up positions in the mayoral committee of weKuruleni. We had previously held the positions of public safety as well as health and social development, and that the fundamental reasons for us doing so was that we are dissatisfied essentially with three things. One, basic service delivery in the metro, which I will come back to now. Two, agreed priorities of the coalition government that are just not being implemented.
Ngokulandela idemocracy, Ihlangano leyivumele nezakhamuzi zeKuruleni bona zithathe isiqunde ekuthena umbuso ngokuhlanganyela weDA ingabe uzifezile na inthembiso. Kodwa ihlolo mbono iveze okumbi. Ithi izokuvodwa nakunesidingo njengoba naseyisuka esikhundleni esiphezulu nje. Usihlalo weDA eGauteng ubongani bhalo uthe ngokomlando i-ActionSA ithi umlando wezenzela weDA uchigamele emadrobheni kwaphela.
The issues that affect the lives of the people of townships is not taken responded to in the same manner as the issue of Primrose. I mean, we saw glaring inequalities of responses to challenges of service delivery, where in suburban areas when there's an issue, within 48 hours as a response, the mayor's on the ground.
Kusesenjalo, i-ActionSA ilisho yalikandelela lokuthi izakuragela phambili nokusebenzisana neDA kumasipalada abakhulu imuki i-ANC ne-EFF amandla okubusa.